So here I'm told that a piece of wire is 240 centimetres long, and then I'm told that Peter cuts two 45cm lengths off of the wire. He then cuts the rest of the wire into as many 40cm lengths as possible, and we're asked to work out how many 40cm lengths of the wire Peter cuts. So sometimes with questions like this, I find it helpful to draw out a bit of a diagram. So if we have a wire which is 240 centimetres, and then he's going to cut two lots of 45 centimetres off the wire, and that's just going to leave us with the shorter section over here to the right. Now we need to work out how many 40cm lengths that we can cut this section into. So when we divide it by 40 centimetres, how many can we cut it into? So firstly, I need to work out how long this remaining section of the wire is. And I can simply do that by taking the 240, so the total length, and then subtracting these two lots of 45 that have been cut off. And then that's going to leave me with an answer of 150 centimetres. So the question is really asking us, how many 40cm lengths can he cut out of 150 centimetres of wire? So in order to find this out, I'm going to take the 150 and then divide this by 40 to see how many 40s go into 150. And if we put that into our calculators, that gives me an answer of 3.75. So theoretically, he'd be able to cut this remaining piece of wire into 3.75 of these 40cm lengths. However, that means that we're going to have three that are 40 centimetres and then one which is not quite 40 centimetres. And the question's asking how many 40cm lengths of wire he can cut. So here, we're going to have to round down to an answer of 3 lengths because he isn't going to have quite enough to cut 4. However, he is going to have too much to cut 3, but because it's not enough for another length, we can't include this in our answer. So the final answer for this question is going to be 3 lengths of 40cm wire.